Dear veterans, as we celebrate Veterans Day this week, I want to take this opportunity to thank you all for your bravery and willingness to risk your lives and fight to protect our country. You all are strong, courageous, and brave. I'm thankful for the Army, Navy, Marines, Coast Guard, and Air Force. For the families representing veterans that are not here with us, I want to say there is no greater love than to lay down your life for someone else. We will always be forever grateful. Thank you very much. Our country is free and safer because of you. Sincerely, Paulina Susel.